Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use Thinkorswim on your iPad. First, download the app from the App Store and log in with your credentials. You'll immediately notice the intuitive design, optimized for touch. This powerful platform brings the full desktop experience to your tablet, allowing you to access real-time market data, manage your watch lists, and monitor your positions. It's designed for traders who need flexibility and robust tools right at their fingertips, whether you're at home or on the move. Navigating the Thinkorswim app on your iPad is incredibly straightforward. The main menu, typically found on the left, gives you instant access to essential sections like watch lists, trade, and charts. You can personalize your dashboard to show exactly what matters most to you, perhaps a few key widgets or a specific market overview. Swiping left or right helps you move between different screens smoothly, and the search bar is always there to help you quickly locate any symbol or feature you need. It's all about making your trading experience efficient. The charting capabilities on Thinkorswim for iPad are truly impressive. You have access to over 400 technical studies and indicators, allowing for deep market analysis. You can easily draw trend lines, identify support and resistance levels, and even add custom annotations directly onto your charts using your finger or an Apple Pencil. Explore historical data across various timeframes, from 1-minute intervals to several years, and compare up to 4 different symbols on a single chart. This robust toolkit empowers you to make informed decisions with confidence. Placing trades on your iPad is seamless and secure. You can execute trades for stocks, options, futures, and forks with just a few taps. The app supports advanced order types, including OCO, or one cancels the other, and bracket orders, giving you precise control over your entries and exits. Monitoring your open positions is simple, and you can modify or cancel any order instantly. Plus, you can always review your complete order history and check your account balances in real time, ensuring you stay fully informed about your trading activity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.